Is your Apple TV remote acting up? Let's get it working perfectly again. First, let's check the most common culprit battery level on your Apple TV's home screen. Navigate to the Settings app. It looks like a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Remotes and Devices. This menu will give you insight into your remote's connection, status, and battery life. If the battery level looks good, let's test the buttons directly. Gently press each button on your remote, including the directional pads, the menu button, the play pause, and the Siri button. Do you feel a tactile click with each press? Within that same Remotes and Devices menu, you should see an option to Remote. Select this. You'll see a visual representation of your remote controller as you press buttons on your actual remote. You should see corresponding actions highlighted on the screen. This is a fantastic way to diagnose if any specific buttons are unresponsive. If buttons still aren't responding, or if the battery indicator was critically low, it might be time for fresh batteries for the Apple TV 4 remote. This is typically a CR2032 lithium coin battery. Make sure you replace it with a new, high-quality battery. If battery replacement doesn't solve it, unpaired remotes are a frequent issue in the Remotes and Devices menu. You'll see your remote listed. Select it and choose the option to unpair remote. Then, press and hold the menu and play pause buttons on your remote simultaneously for about 5 seconds until you see a disconnected notification on your TV. To repair, simply bring your remote close to the Apple TV and press the menu and play pause buttons together again. For another 5 seconds, you should see a confirmation that your remote has been connected. As a final troubleshooting step, let's try a full reset of your Apple TV. Unplug the power cable from your Apple TV. Wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back. In this simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches affecting remote communication. By following these steps, you can efficiently check and troubleshoot your Apple TV 4 remote, maximizing its lifespan and ensuring smooth operation.